I managed to talk AP Laser into letting me do a giveaway. Good morning, cupcakes. Oh, I'm covering you. How we doing? It's Monday, and I'm not looking at the right side of the phone. You guys don't just randomly wake up in a hotel room from time to time? Me neither. I'm in a hotel room because my mother-in-law and her sister and their two cousins came down yesterday, and we don't have enough beds for everybody. So we thought it would be better if I went and got a hotel room and got a little time away, because I have been spending a lot of time doing activities and things with the kids. So this is just kind of an opportunity to get a good night's sleep, actually. Look at how nasty it is out. My room. Look at those ducks. Hey, checking out?
Yeah, awesome.
All right, let's go. Okay, so why am I vlogging all of a sudden, and why am I wearing this bright orange shirt? Hey, Suggs. Hey, Suggs, how are we? Hey, big guy. Hey, Apollo. Oh, goodness. Hi, buddy. Oh. Anybody just get assaulted by their golden doodle? Like the sweetest dog. It's crazy, though. Crazy. All right, let's go outside. 2 words, baby. LAZERCON. And another 2 words, Las Vegas, which is probably one of my favorite places in the US. You should move to Vegas. So let me tell you what's going on at LAZERCON this year. Let me take a look on the email. This is what they're giving away if you're in attendance. They're giving away a free SN 2616 lowrider. It's like a $20,000 package right there. The lowrider, it's 26 inches by 16. The fact that it's lowrider means you can lower it all the way down to the ground, so you can literally like engrave your floor if you want to. They will be giving away 3 web store material bundles. What AP Laser is trying to do is not only just be the best customer service out there, but also be kind of your one-stop shop. So if you have material needs, they want to be your go-to for material stuff as well. So they're giving away 3 web store material bundles. I'm not sure exactly what's going to be in those yet, but each one of those is a $500 value. And the last thing they're giving away is free machine shipping. So if you're thinking about buying an AP Laser, this is something that you would want to be considered for, right? Because shipping, these are big machines and shipping's not cheap. So free machine shipping giveaway up to $1,500. Like if you're sending it to Zimbabwe, you're probably gonna have to cover part of that cost. Join the cults. Coffee cult. Love this stuff. Love their coffee. Okay, so here's the deal. I'm gonna try to daily vlog at least until what I'm about to announce, but the game plan is to see if I can actually daily vlog until the event. I managed to talk AP Laser into letting me do a giveaway. The one lucky viewer gets to come to LAZERCON with me. That's right, they're gonna cover your flight, your room, and entry into LAZERCON itself. This giveaway is going to be confined to the US due to like some passport issues and length of time and whatnot. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link down below. You're going to sign up with your email address, give me your email address, and that's what I'm going to use to pick the winner. So sign up down below and you'll be entered into the contest, and I will be picking the winner on June 2nd. As we get closer, I'll let you know if it's gonna be like a live pick. It probably will be, but I'm just not sure if we're gonna do it in the evening or afternoon or whatever. That is the major announcement for today. I will be out in the shop later this afternoon, but right now I gotta get paperwork done and stuff like that. Just my normal boring Monday stuff. I'm not gonna bore you with that. I almost forgot, before I go upstairs, I gotta get my swole on. I gotta get in the gym. My mental health has really kind of taken a turn for the better lately, and I attribute it to 2 things. 1, a good fitness routine, and 2, mood stabilizers. And we'll talk more about mood stabilizers tomorrow. Alexa, turn Jim on. For those of you that don't know, if you're not following me on Instagram and you're interested in kind of like working with your mental health, you need to follow me on Instagram, and we will do, basically I do a mental health check-in Monday on Tuesday. So you check in on Monday and then we address it on Tuesday. Make sense? Anyway, go check it out if that's something you're interested in.
One eternity later.
Turn the gym off. Holy crap, guys. I think I finally got the P2 running, and I think it was my fault. We've been trying to troubleshoot this and figure out what was wrong. I couldn't get it to run, just all kinds of sorts of issues. And we really thought it got damaged in shipping. I was getting ready to get on a technical call with X-Tool, and they said, hey, we just want to make sure that you mixed your antifreeze right. And I was like, you know, I read the instructions, so I think so, but I'll siphon everything out and try again. Because you have to mix your antifreeze to distilled water ratio given the area you live in and how cold it gets. Anyway, when I started reading the instructions, I think I flip-flopped the amount of antifreeze versus water. So I think I made the fluid in the machine too thick and it couldn't pull it through things. So I just ran one test and it worked. So I think we're up and running. I gotta calibrate it and all that good stuff, but hopefully we got that fixed and there's gonna be sweet lasery goodness coming soon. Yeah, it happens even when I'm not doing videos. All right, it's been a busy day out in the shop. I just finished up a kind of brief overview of the X-Tool F1. That video should be coming out tomorrow, which if you're watching this vlog on the day that it comes out, it will come out today. So go check that out. I will link it someplace, maybe, I don't know. It'll be linked in the description if nothing else. Now, I gotta go get the kids. So, adios, cupcakeos. Until tomorrow.